Welcome. I'm your host, Daniel Martin. I'm thrilled you're able to join me today for another tech tip from the Patio. The tool we are introducing today is a Chrome extension and website called Mote. It allows you to create short audio clips that can be inserted into any document as a hyperlink, placed directly into a Google document as a comment, saved as a QR code, or embedded into a web page. As with any other Chrome extension, the first step is to find the extension in the Chrome store and add it to your account. Motes can be used in several different and valuable ways. They can be used to provide verbal feedback to work submitted by a student. They can be used as a caption to a piece of text, instructions, or an image provided to your audience. Once Mote is installed, all you have to do is highlight a piece of a Google document and then press the Mote icon to record an audio clip. Let me show you. And there's the Mote icon. You can also hyperlink a Mote into a non-Google document, such as a Word document or a Canvas page, like this. The key feature setting this tool apart is the ability for your audience to reply back to your Mote. You will be notified via email that you've received a new response and will be able to listen to it directly from the email. I find this aspect very valuable when providing feedback to students on submitted assignments. There are many other ways to use this extension, and I suggest you let your imagination free and come up with your own unique way to use this cool tool. Remember, as always, push the button. It is unlikely you can break it worse than we can fix it. What's the worst thing that can happen? You might just learn something new. Until next time, farewell from the patio.